This one just hooked up on one.
That's a decent one.
Down the guggler.
Yeah, that's like a high 3.
What's going on, my dudes? It's your boy David Gitson, bringing you guys another juicy ass video. And in this video, I pull up on the homie Daniel and we hit one of his backyard spots, San Gabriel Reservoir. It's literally located in the middle of bumfuck nowhere. Literally, we had to walk down this big ass hill, but it's all totally worth it. We actually the fishing starts off pretty slow, but we figure out a little pattern, and then this fool Daniel finds out what they want. We fucking both tied down what they wanted, and we fucking just go to town on these guys. If you're new around here, don't forget to sub, and if you've already been rocking with me, go ahead and hit that like button. This one just hooked up on one.
That's a decent one. I see.
Ooh. Ooh, fuck, let me get out of the way. Ooh. This fool jumped so nice with it. Woohoo! That's that double decker, boy. Extra crispy. Pack rat meal, baby.
Hey, yo.
Is that the first kill? Second kill on the pack rat. These rat, I'm telling you, these mice do it. That's that boy. First fish of the day.
He got a bite mark out his tail too. See that?
Yeah. He's been tried before. He's trying to
pull me off.
That's a nice Larry, boy. Hold my rod.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah, that's like a high 3.
He choked it, bro.
That's another donkey.
He choked the fuck out that.
Oh shit.
Damn.
Oh, he's gonna shake his head. Watch.
He choked the fuck out of that. Down the guggler.
Yeah, that's like a high 3.
Think so?
Skill?
Nah. Bro, look at the belly on this girl.
Yeah. That's how they all been built right now. Whenever they're eating shit.
She a dirty girl.
Bastard.
Took my fucking tail. That's my second fish at San Gabriel, bro. Let's go. First one of this year. From where? Let's go, bro. I think he choked it too. Yeah. He didn't get to choke it, but he got the hook right to the nose. A little younger. Oh, I did his ass wrong. This fool said, ugh. Hey, woke his ass up though. He's out of there quick. He put the wheels on and said, go. Another one on the same spot. They're probably hunting all around that little ridge there where you're at.
You're an idiot, dude.
That was a 10-pounder.
What were you doing?
That was a
How are
10-pounder.
you lifting
You
it?
should have grabbed him.
You're kidding me, dude. Are you insane? Don't blame that on me.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I thought he was hooked later than that. I was trying to just flip him fast.
He said, off that same spot, literally sitting right there. That's insane, dude. Oh. Yeah. It's a Ned rig though. I'm gonna let it sit and just pick this shit. That's a beautiful fish, bro. I'm deep diver crankbait.
Right out.
Look at that. He's a beautiful one. He's a nice little Larry. Yeah? Uh-oh. He got his tongue? Usually their tongue that starts to bleed.
Nah, I think I must have clipped him on the gills on the way in or something.
This fool got another one on that deep diver. Well, you're on a roll. I think. What's that? Your 5th fish?
Oh, he's a mean one. He won't stop shaking.
This fool Daniel found a good school or something. They're chasing shad right here, and he's going a deep diver crankbait, and they are not hesitating at all. Tie that boy down. He's a nice one.
Nah, he's still a little one. I thought he was bigger than that.
At the rate you're catching him, bro, I'm tying down a fucking diver right now.
Honestly, even like the spare bull or a lipless will do it, bro. I'm just reeling it along the bank.
I'm throwing a little shad, one sexy shad, I think it is. See what happens. Yeah. This fool Daniel was hella getting him on the squirt bill. And I jumped on the bandwagon. This is the smallest, fattest little dinker I've ever seen in my life. Ah, he fucker bit me. These fools are tweaking. That boy's tweaking out. I'm ballsy for that one. Both hooks are still in him.
That's a tube. As soon as it hit the fucking water, bro, I only got like 2 cranks in on that. Don't jump. I don't want to be hooked, man. Let me get the pliers for this fool.
He's like, all right, let's make it quick.
Yeah, he said, just get this out of me already.
He's at the dentist right now, and you're the orthodontist. Diver.
Yeah.
On the MacGyver. The diver MacGyver.
Right on that same stick the last fucking 3 or 4 came on.
Sheesh.
Came on fucking fired up.
Let's go. Again, he's at the dentist. Yup. Oh, this fool got a grill on him. He wants all his teeth cleaned by the orthodontist. Come here, boy. Let me see. Yup. You said we needed 2 more. You just caught one? I just got one.
Yeah, we just beat what me and homie did yesterday.
This is a beautiful fucking fish, bro.
14 yesterday, we got 15 now.
You said how many were you catch yesterday?
14.
Damn. 10th, yeah, but you said that was your 10th fish of the day and your 4th double-digit day of fishing of the year.
Yeah.
You won.
Well, actually, 10th double-digit day.
The 10? Damn.
Or, nah, I'm tripping. 5th double-digit day.
I was about to say, you just jumped from 4 to 10.
Nah, fucking 5th time getting 10 in a day, but one time was at 2 lakes, so I don't really
2
count.
lakes.
I got 9 here and then 1 at Day Creek because I was mad that I was at 9, so I had to go catch another fish somewhere else because they stopped biting. I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna pull up. Pulled up there, got 1 on the drink bait, so that's my 10, I'm out.
Fucking sick. As soon as it landed, wherever he get it. That was dope. I literally wanted to cast. It hit the water. I went to retrieve it. He was already on it. And we out. We got 12 fish. I got 9. 21 in total.